a good rusty morning to you, huh? Look at this rust on the sidewalk down there. Look at this gutter in the road. All that rust in the street, they want all this out of here. All this over here, over there. Alright, we're going to clean it first. Then we're going to go ahead and do the pink power. I'm going to try a couple things. With the ball valve, I'm going to try and inject some of it up that way, see how it works. Alright, we'll be back. Let's get after it. Alright, let's have a look at that. Boom. Look at that gutter. I never thought it was going to come clean. But it did. Now, the first method was put some SH in a, not SH, but put the pink power straight in that gallon right there. Okay? Then I made this attachment. Ball valve and a regular soap tip. And just ran it up and down the sidewalk twice just to get most of it off, and then I had to take the pump up sprayer and go and get all the stuff that was being stubborn. All right, that's how you do it. I mean, that's the best way you can remove rust, I guess. But the downstreaming, I like to get something a little stronger that pumps out a little bit more percentage, because I had to go over it with the bug sprayer. I just assumed get something stronger, maybe run it through the Zeta, but that's some powerful stuff to run through there. That probably wouldn't be a good idea. It's very abrasive. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We got a driveway and vinyl fence to clean next. All right, we'll see you after lunch. Let's get after it. All right, here we are, job number 2, and it's raining. Gonna be raining. There's no lightning, so we're gonna get after it. Gonna start the job right here. And we are gonna get you on the wand. We had some special requests. We got a lot of guys liking that. See that up there? All right, this is a new customer. He was just out here talking to me about the last guy. See how those gutters are all discolored up there? Get that all cleaned up around the front door. It's just moldy and dingy. We'll get the tall reach tip and be able to get up there, shoot up that way. It's a 0060 tip, the original tall reach tip. The house just needs a good bath. All the gutters are all dirty. And we're also doing the fence. So this is a nice size ticket. And we're doing the gutter in the road, the sidewalks, sewer cap right there. Make the place look really good, okay? First, we're gonna start right here. We're gonna get the machine fired up, and we're gonna be running at 3/4 speed for the whole job. Put the rain suit on.
It's fixing the dump. It's fixing the dump. I'm in the dump. I gotta get the job done.
Okay, I've decided to get in the van and just wait a couple minutes. Look at this. It's coming down like gangbusters out here. Alright, we'll be back. Pressure washing in the rain. It's fun. Let's get after it when we can, that is. Alright, we got everything SH, sidewalks, all that stuff. Now we're going to get after it. Ready? This is how easy downstreaming is. Want to give the whole house a nice good coating. in here and see what's underneath there. All right, close your eyes and spray it. All right, get out. There you go. All right, now we got to do the tall reach tip. You ready? Right there, that's the last part of it. We will be back. Let's get after it. All right, we're back. The whole house is done all the way around, and I got all that fence done and about 2 sections from the corner. So now we're gonna get the driveway and the sidewalks done, and we're gonna go down this side of the house and get the rest of the fence done and what's left behind the back of the house. Then we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. That's how you do it. Looks really good. I put an extra lot of SH there on top of those black spots back there. Probably gonna have to pump up, treat it when we get back. We'll see. I would be willing to bet probably gonna need a little bit of that. But that'll knock some of it out. All right, now we're gonna head down the side of the house here and get after the rest of this thing and get the fence in the back. All right, let's jump on the wand again. Let's get after it. All right, we're set. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, the customer just came out and told me he wants the weekend before Father's Day return visit for the fence and the house. See what I mean? You do good work, show up on time, friendly with the customer. That's what you say. That's how you spell success. You always clean around the AC and all that little stuff. Well, all this stuff goes a long way. Now you see the difference. See how nice and clean that is right there? And look how dirty that is there. It's all molded. Simple downstream. You just walk down one end to the next. Take half of what's left. guy walked out to the truck with the check midstream to pay me the money. Isn't that nice? Alright, now we're going to go in there and get after the rest of this fence, huh? Let's get after it. Alright, there you have it, folks. Look at that. Pearly white fence everywhere. All we got to do is a satisfying rinse. Boom, and that's the end of that, folks. We'll be right back. Okay, always rinse the gear out. Look at all this SH is going to come out of there. There it is. Don't want that in the gear. There's metal casing in here, so what is that going to do? The SH is going to eat that stuff alive. And you also soak your injector in a fresh bucket of water. So what do you want to do now? You want to rinse this hose off. Look at all that soap coming off the hose. There you go, rinse the filter all off, rinse the rig off. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to stick this in some fresh water. Hear it kicking in? Watch what comes out. That's just what's in this little line right here, your injection tube. There it is, look at that. That would have been left in your line, corroding your injector overnight, and messing up your water and everything else. Alright, I'm Don from Superblast Pressure Washing, trying to help you guys out, alright? For you guys that don't need any help, help the new guys out. Alright, and remember, always Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody
get
gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
after it. Mr. American.
Get after it!